This all-natural green tea cleansing oil is so easy to make, full of antioxidants, and effortlessly melts away your makeup. It also washes off with just water and it leaves no greasy residue on your skin. For more information, you can find a link to this recipe's blog post in the video description below. So let's make it. First, we're going to infuse some loose leaf green tea in MCT oil, which is very heat stable and won't clog pores, so it's perfect for a cleansing oil. We're going to infuse this on medium heat for around 30 minutes until the oil turns a nice bright green. Another way to do this is by heating it up, sealing it in a jar, and allowing the oil to infuse at room temperature for a few weeks, but the heat infusion method is faster. Now that we have our green tea infused oil, we're going to let it cool down and then strain out the tea. Make sure you squeeze it out so you don't waste a single drop. Now for the secret ingredient. This is a natural plant-based emulsifier called CreamMaker FLUID. It's free of polysorbates, and even though it's gentle on sensitive skin, it cleanses and removes makeup very thoroughly. It's also really easy to use. You just pour it in and mix it up. Simply transfer the finished product to a pump bottle and your DIY green tea cleansing oil is ready to use. For more information on how to use this cleansing oil, recipe quantities, and equipment needed, you can find all that in the caption below or by visiting our blog, alifeadjacent.com, where we help you live adjacent to toxins in your beauty routine. Follow for more DIY beauty and skincare recipes.